Good morning, good morning. We got 9 a.m. news, boys and girls. (8:30) news already happened. Unemployment's lower. Trade balance is negative. Inventory is negative. See what we can do now. There's order settings at 600, but they seem to just be attracting buyers. We're in cells here. Nice low cells. See what happens. Sellers seem to trying to come in. We tried to push up, we failed. Previous hour was bearish. Let's see if we can continue the trend a little bit more down. Selling pressure is loosening up a little bit. off the VWAP. Basically, it's a rejection off the VWAP going down. Let's see what we can do here. We're on 51. Be right back. We got 18 minutes till the top of the hour. Bids are starting to gather up below. Let's see if they're strong enough to retaliate, or are we gonna flush them through? Yo, my cats this morning are going crazy. Going crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, I really am a beast, bro. I really am a beast, bro. I really am. Managing some risk there. I really am a beast. Yo, the price right now is $3.99. Anybody who come in is gonna get free knowledge, free game. Once I get some students, bro, it's over. I'm not gonna be giving out free information. I'm not gonna be giving out my time for free. So if anybody wanna get on the ride, get on the wave, get on now, because you gonna blow up with me. Bro, I'm not playing no more. I'm not playing no more. This was gonna be my career. Now this is going for my retirement, brothers. You don't even know. You don't even know, man. You know, the hardest part is that I'm so excited, especially when you know everything that you're doing now and you got it to a T. You can't help but wake up every single day motivated to go and get it. Ain't nothing out there like trading. Biggest thing I compare it to is like a fisherman fishing for his lunch. You eat what you catch, right? And humans are survivors. And so, if your survival is based on these drawings on the screen, well, you will become very good at it. Because a great fisherman has to just throw a rod in the water and wait. Same way. Great traders wait for the fish to show up. But what I like to do is I like to slap on positions, right? So I'll throw my fishing rod in there and I'll wait for the fish to bite. We're almost there. We caught some of it. I'm not gonna lie. We took partials. We managed risk. We took partials when we managed risk. And then now we're just chilling. Now we free balling, right? It's like as if we caught one fish already. And on the same bait, I got my line out still. Let me see if I can catch my second one because the bait is still on there. Simple. We are at 10 minutes before the top of the hour. It could get a little wicked. If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. We will manage some risk once it drops down some more. Oh, by the way, I ordered the camera. I ordered the camera. That's just coming in. Hopefully in a couple of hours and not days. We're gonna go for a little walkie break after this. I personally don't usually like to trade 9 a.m. It gets a little wonky for me. I don't like trading 9:30 too much either. I trade them here and there, but the volume behind that can either wreck you or make you, right? Like, and I don't like that. I'm still chilling with a little runner here. Where we at? Little runner still running. We'll take one off of light if we reach there. Yeah, I think we can manage risk here. We're at break even now. It's cranking, it's cranking. I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, worst case scenario, we lock in $3,000. Sheesh! Sheesh! Frankly honest with you, I've been doing this for 9+ years now, almost going into my 10th year. Seeing a lot of success around me, it does get to you, you know, it gets to your head a little bit, and that was probably one of my downfall at some point as well. Because I started feeling like I deserve it. And we're all human, we all deserve it. Anybody working for anything deserves whatever they're working for, but it's just, if you worked enough, you become what you want to become. If you have not become what you want to become, you have not put enough love to the game. You have not put in time to the game. How long must you have your head down and be humble and keep doing it? You gotta make a resolution that this is the path you're gonna follow regardless. If I made $1 million on this trade, I'm coming back. I'm coming back tonight and trading agent session. Maybe not tonight, but I'll trade again then tomorrow. The following session. If I get $1 million off one trade, I'll probably treating myself to an Asian session. I'm gonna take off, and I'm probably gonna eat a nice fat steak, nice fat juicy steak. That would be my plans. But would I stop trading? Would my life change completely? Probably not, because if you change your life completely, you're gonna lose all that, right? Like, most people don't know how to manage $1 million. Most people don't know how to manage $1,000, let alone $1 million, right? It's all the same stuff. You knock back the 10% of 1,000 is still 1/10 of 1/10 of 1,000. 10% of 1,000,000 is still 1/10 of 1,000,000. Knock it down to percentages and like manage finances that way if it helps. This is why percentages matter more, because if you're able to budget and ratio off percentages, Doesn't matter what quantity of money you have. You can have $1 million, $1 zillion, $1 billion, but the way you manage it, your systematic way of you managing money, it stays the same. And that's the key. The biggest thing I preach to people that I know in real life is that our personal finances is like being an entrepreneur or a businessman. You obviously have personal expenses and personal investments and personal assets. And if you're not viewing it as a business or treating it as money come in, money come out, even if you're not a business major or your career has nothing to do with finances, that's just the nature of the system in the country that we live in. At least I live in. You know? Yeehaw, America. Land of the free. But it's only free to people with the knowledge. Nothing's free here. Nothing's free here. Nothing's free here. Even this, even you watching this, and I'm trying to provide this free value to you guys, still costs somebody making money off this, right? YouTube is making money off the clicks, off the users, or whatever it is, right? I might not be benefiting off it, but YouTube is, which is why I constantly also say, like, interact with me, transition to other platforms, utilize me, because these platforms are utilizing us either way. Well, good thing we managed risk and we took partials, because now it's giving us a bunch of indecision, which I don't like. Can maybe in less than 2 minutes, can we see it pop the 511 area? Maybe, maybe not. There's no large one massive order sitting below us. There's a cluster of them. There's one massive order sitting above. And it just has duped everybody. That massive order is sitting around 600. That's around VWAP-ish area. Wait, hold on. Offers coming in now. Offers are coming in at current price now. Boom, 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 boom. Offers coming in at current price. Let's see what can hold it. Let's see. Don't tell me this is the pivotal point. Let's like reach 500. Let's reach closer to 500. A nicer pivotal point, you know. But my strategy is pretty simple, you know. Like I'd say I'm a momentum trader. I trade with the momentum towards the next logical level of liquidity, and that could be tricky for you guys because liquidity for new people could be anything, right? Technically, liquidity's behind every candle top and bottom wick, but for me, liquidity are major levels, major hourly levels, major 4-hour levels, major daily levels, and rarely weekly, because for me to catch a weekly move, it spans out longer than any other lower time frame candle. So for my play to play out, or for my signal or confirmation to play out, it takes much longer. So usually just use the weekly levels for just keeping it in mind. That's a major level. Damn, we have a ton of selling pressure. They're struggling a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if they crank it back up, cause let's buy pre-market. Why not? Like, come on. Secured a good amount of profits today, but messed me up, cause yeah, now they're trying to pump it. New Hours has buyers. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. We got our piece. We got our piece, man. Almost 3 bands. No, what am I saying? Actually, 3 bands. If it won't hold 50s, we're out. All this buying. All this buying, and we moved to what, 20 points? Selling pressure slowly dying. This could be the rotation that we need. Top of the new hour, maybe the rotation that we need. So there is level here. This level here is they respecting it, which is 520. 520, 525 respecting it. Oh, yeah. It's gonna hit my stop and we will secure 3 bands on the day and we're done. There we go. We're tagged out. Simple. This is 69.12. Nah, we're done for the day, boys and girls. Have a good day. Bless up.